Hello my people. In this video we will see how to save or convert a PDF as a JPEG. The first and most important pass is go to the search this in Google, and next we go to the this page, for example, and here select a file to convert to the PDF or to JPG image. Other, for example, is in Canva. Upload your file. Other, for example, is PDF Pro. We have the pass or the pass to pass. And well, we have three methods here: online converters, easiest, desktop software for more control, and screenshot, quick and simpler, lower quality. But that's all, everyone. If you liked the video, and especially if it helped you, please leave a like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Until next time.